What's your favorite cosmetic item?
My favorite cosmetic item is a cherry red lipstick.
When did you buy it?
I bought it in a local cosmetic shop.
How often do you use it?
Almost every day. I sometimes change the color.
How did it change your physical appearance?
Oh, at first I was hesitant to try because I thought it wouldn't match my skin undertone, but when putting it on, the cherry red color did make me more charming and gorgeous.
Is it expensive?
Nope, it is under $21 only.
Is the brand name famous?
Yes, I think MAC is well known all around the world. MAC lipstick is an iconic product of the producer.
How important are cosmetics according to you?
Well, frankly, cosmetics are really important to women, although I agree that the true beauty does come from inside.
Is it important to have a good-looking appearance?
Sure, you will be given more opportunities if you're good looking.
Are cosmetics harmful?
Yes, I guess. Some toxic chemicals in cosmetics may cause skin cancer.
Do you think beauty products are a waste of money?
Not really. As for me, I just spend my saving money on cosmetics.